Hey, 30-minute marketers. Today's video, we're going to list some reasons why affiliate marketing is the best business for beginners. I'm Gary Baker, and if you're new to the channel, I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. To do that, click on the subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications of future videos, as well as check out the link in the description and in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own affiliate business today. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And like I said, today's focus is on the reasons why affiliate marketing is the best first business for beginners. Reason number one is a billion-dollar industry. Everybody's heard of Amazon. Walmart even has an affiliate program. You can easily get started online. You can easily get started by just recommending products that you use in your day-to-day life or in your hobbies. Again, it's a billion-dollar industry. Amazon, Walmart, they want you to succeed because you're advertising products for them. You're making money for them. So they want you to be able to succeed and get a piece, even if it's just a small part, 4%, 10% of products that you recommend inside of this billion-dollar industry that is affiliate marketing. Reason number two, low barrier to entry. It's as easy as doing what I'm doing right here today, turning on the camera, talking to you about affiliate marketing. You could do the exact same thing, like I said, if you have a hobby, whether it be woodworking, knitting, snowboarding, whatever, anything you're interested in. All you have to do is turn on the camera, start talking about it, find products that you use, products that you recommend, products that you believe in, and then recommend them. That's all you have to do, low barrier to entry. You can start with low investment cost. Of course, you're going to need a few things to get started. You're going to, for example, I use this headset because of the sound in this apartment. It's a concrete block, so I have a headset. You could, of course, invest in things like microphones, webcams. You could invest in hostings to start your own website, anything and everything like that. Of course, you can create different backdrops and scenery. You might, if you're an affiliate for woodworking products, you need to, if you haven't already, invested in equipment. But again, you don't necessarily need that to start this business. You can just simply turn on your camera, start a YouTube channel, and start recommending products. You can use social media, Facebook, Instagram, recommend products throughout your day-to-day life as you post status updates. Low investment cost, low barrier to entry. No need to risk your capital. So you don't need to build this huge business to start making money. You don't need a storefront. You don't need a Shopify store. You don't need technically web hosting, although I do recommend it. You don't need to risk your own capital to create a product that you don't know if people want, because the products has already been created and you can go and see if the products are being sold on Amazon, Walmart. You know you purchase these products yourself. So you don't need to risk your capital, your own money, to build a product that you're not sure people are going to buy. All you have to do is start recommending it and earn a commission. Now this is the big one that people like, earn even while you're sleeping. And it is true to an extent, because the thing is when you build content, for example, if you do affiliate marketing on YouTube, if you do affiliate marketing on social media, if you build content, say you build a blog or a niche site around recommendations, and you build content about the things that you are interested in, the things that you like, that content lives on forever. That content is up and on the internet 24/7, so you can literally earn money while you're sleeping. That doesn't mean you don't have to work, put in the effort and the time to build that content so it's there while you're sleeping. But once it is there, you can earn money while you're sleeping. You don't need your own product. We talked about this earlier. The fact that you don't have to use your own capital. Simple fact is you don't need your own product. Now, here's a tip. Step back and think about this for a second. If you have your own product, would that make you a better affiliate marketer? Of course, you would be able to use your own product as a bonus. So in that case, you would be able to recommend a product and say, hey, if you purchase this product for me, I'll give you a bonus, and it's the product I created. Or if you step back and think about this, and this is part of the mindset of building a business, this is a great way to start with affiliate marketing. But if you build your own product, then people will come to you as you have your own customers. Then you can generate affiliate commissions off of those customers that you built using your own product. Just something to think about. Of course, we're talking about getting started, and the best way to get started is with affiliate marketing, building your own business, with affiliate marketing, you do not need your own product. Customer support, not your problem. It's not your product. Now, don't take that out of context because your audience is your customer. So when I'm here talking to you, any product that I recommend, if you ever have a problem with it, I encourage you to reach out to me because I recommended that product to you, and I will do my best to reach out to the vendor and have them fix your problem. But at the end of the day, it's not my product. So if there's something wrong with the product, if the product is broken, specifically a physical product, and it needs to be returned to you, then that customer support is not my problem. Again, it's a great way to get started. You don't have the headache of worrying about customer support. This leads you into focusing only on the thing that you need to focus on, and that's generating sales so you can generate commissions. Again, you don't need to do customer support. You don't need to create the product. All you need to do is recommend the product and focus on generating sales, which is the commissions that you are going to make as an affiliate marketer. And the last reason, and probably the biggest reason, of course, we mentioned it's $1 billion industry. There's a low barrier to entry. You don't need to spend your own money to get started because you don't have to build your own product. You don't have to build a customer support team. You don't need any of that. All you have to do to get started is simply use the product, test the product, recommend the product, believe in the product, and build an audience around the fact that you use the product in your day-to-day life, in your hobbies. Anyone can start affiliate marketing. Anyone can get this going. It's easy to start. It's easy to make a commission. Just simply recommending the products that you use in your daily life. Again, anyone can start affiliate marketing business. It's probably the biggest and best reason why affiliate marketing is the best business for beginners. So if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Check out the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own affiliate marketing business today. 30-minute timer here. Click that timer. Subscribe to the channel. Check out the videos here on the end screen for more awesome content just like this. And with that, I'll talk to you later. Bye.